Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the idle on your Mitsubishi Lancer. First, understand that a correctly set idle speed is vital for your engine's health and fuel efficiency. You will need to locate either the idle air control valve or the specific adjustment screw on the throttle body. Make sure you have a screwdriver and a tachometer ready to accurately measure your engine's revolutions per minute. Before making any adjustments, it is important to prepare your vehicle properly. First, run your Lancer until the engine reaches its normal operating temperature. Next, disconnect the car battery for about 5 minutes. This helps reset the engine control unit, or ECU. After reconnecting the battery, start the engine once more and allow it to warm up fully again. Now, let's get to the actual adjustment. With the engine warm, use your tachometer to observe the current engine revolutions per minute. Carefully turn the idle adjustment screw, making only small, precise changes. Your goal is to reach the manufacturer's recommended idle speed, which is typically between 700 and 800 RPM for most Mitsubishi Lancer models. Take your time for accuracy. After adjusting, take your Lancer for a short test drive to confirm the idle is stable and acceleration feels smooth. Once you return, recheck the idle speed with your tachometer to ensure it remains consistent after driving. Proper idle adjustment improves your car's performance and fuel economy. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle mentioned, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.